Hi, I am Mrs. Dorman, and who are you?
Anna.
And what grade are you in, Anna?
First grade.
Good. And so, Anna, you are going to tell us how you practice for your spelling test, okay? And then you're going to show us the score that you got. So tell us, how do you practice to make sure that you do well on your spelling test?
So I practice by, let's see.
What do you do every day?
Well, when I get home from school, you know all that school is a learning place. Yeah, you know that. And when I get home from school, like I said, I practice them 5, I think, or 4 times. And then
You practice what, 4 or 5 times?
My spelling words. And this is my spelling words.
So do you have to write them down? Is that how you practice them?
I have to write them down and copy them on a sheet of paper. And this is just a pre-test. And I got class wrong. It's supposed to be 2 S's.
So you added the other S that you were missing?
Yes. Well, my teacher did that.
Oh, your teacher added it.
So, why don't we go through these together?
Okay, go ahead.
So number 1, let's sound them out.
Why don't you just say it?
Flip.
What's number 2?
Plant. Black.
4 is?
Glass.
What's 5?
Class.
What's 6?
Slap.
What's
don't-
7?
You don't ever slap anybody.
Yeah, that's right.
7 is flip. 8 is glad. And 9 is club. And the last one is 10. Plans. So that's how you can practice your spelling words. Bye.
Thank you, Anna. Bye.
I'm Anna Dorman, by the way. I'm a first grader. And I wrote a paragraph.